This BEAMNOVA bundle is a creative powerhouse. You get 100 sets of 58mm metal button parts. These turn into fridge magnets. Furthermore, you also receive 50 sets of 75mm parts. These make bottle opener fridge magnets. Both sizes are popular. Moreover, this kit offers great versatility. Think of the possibilities. You can make gifts, or you can start a small business. Therefore, it's a fantastic value. Indeed, the BEAMNOVA magnet and bottle opener button parts are a treasure trove. They open doors to endless crafting fun. The parts are simple to use. Consequently, even an 8th grade student can grasp them quickly. Imagine a blank canvas. These button parts are your colors. First, you design your image. Next, you cut it out. Then, you assemble the button. It's truly that straightforward. Plus, the finished products are sturdy. They feel professional. Moreover, the magnets hold well, and the bottle openers work perfectly. This makes the BEAMNOVA magnet and bottle opener button parts a reliable choice. In addition, the kit provides ample supplies. You won't run out fast overall. This BEAMNOVA kit is a fantastic buy. It provides hours of creative engagement. Also, it's perfect for personalized items. You can make custom magnets. You can also make unique bottle openers. Ultimately, it's an investment in creativity. Therefore, if you love crafts, grab this. It's more than just parts. It's a box of potential. This BEAMNOVA magnet and bottle opener button parts set is highly recommended. Pros: very lightweight, definitely helping my skin. Received it quick, like it a lot already. Fast delivery, good quality of products, love it, it does work, makes a difference, my skin looks younger, helps with all skin types. Features: 100 sets of 58mm button parts, includes fridge magnet supplies, 50 sets of 75mm supplies. Bottle opener button maker parts, made of durable metal, for button maker machine, create custom. Fridge magnets, make bottle opener buttons, good for crafts and gifts, bulk pack of button components. This product offers a bulk pack of button making supplies for a button maker machine. It includes 100 sets of 58mm metal parts to create fridge magnets and 50 sets of 75mm parts to make bottle opener buttons. These durable metal components are great for crafts, gifts, and making your own custom items. The BEAMNOVA button maker supplies are well liked by customers. People received their orders quickly. Noting fast delivery, they found the products to be of good quality and very lightweight. Customers expressed satisfaction, saying they liked and loved the items a lot.